a Christmas surprise. It was that magical time of the year again. In a secret village, far, far away, it was the busiest time of the year. Yes, you guessed it. In Santa's snow-clad village, everyone was busy as a bee. Hundreds of letters had been received from children all over the world. The naughty to nice lists had been drawn up. And the magic toy-making machine was working non-stop, creating all kinds of wonderful toys. In the main part of Santa's workshop, amidst heaps of colorful wrapping paper and ribbons, bows and silver and golden tinsel, Santa's elves were busy packing the gifts. The reindeer were also getting ready for their ride across the sky on the big day. A team of elves was polishing their horns, checking their hooves, and brushing them down. In the sleigh room, Santa's sleigh was being polished and decorated. Back in the packing room, Ferdy the elf picked up a ribbon to tie a large box and Achoo! He sneezed, sending up a cloud of tinsel. Ferdy, now look what you've done, said an older elf crossly. Sorry, said Ferdy. I think some tinsel just went up my nose. But then, achoo! 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 Oh, I think you are coming down with a cold, Ferdy. Go to Mrs. Claus, said another elf. Very soon, a sniffling Ferdy was sitting in the kitchen, wrapped in a blanket and holding a cup of steaming soup. You had better stay away from the others so you don't pass on this cold to them, Mrs. Claus told him. Ferdy was miserable. It was the most important, the most fun part of the year, and he couldn't be a part of it. Over the next few days, Ferdy's cold grew worse. And as all the other elves worked away furiously, Ferdy sat coughing and wiping his nose, which turned red with all the rubbing. All year round, Santa's elves looked forward to the month before Christmas. I'm missing out on all the fun, sobbed Ferdy. Finally, the day before Christmas arrived. It was time. Heaps of gifts were loaded onto the sleigh. Rudolph, Dancer, Prancer, Dasher, and all the other reindeer couldn't wait to take off. Santa came to Ferdy. How are you feeling now, Ferdy? He asked. I'm much better now, Santa, replied Ferdy. You missed all the Christmas prep this year, said Santa. Yes, whimpered Ferdy. Well, Christmas is no time to be sad, said Santa, patting his head. Yes, Santa. How would you like to come with me? Said Santa. Where? Across the world on my sleigh! Ho, ho, ho! Said Santa as he turned to leave. Ferdy jumped up and ran after him. That night, when Santa's sleigh traveled across the sky, bringing gifts to children all over the world, a red-nosed elf with shiny eyes was on it. He would hand Santa the gifts and sometimes even go down the chimney after him to admire the Christmas trees that had been put up, to put candy in the stockings of sleeping children, and to share the milk and cookies kept for Santa. Ferdy the red-nosed elf had the most wonderful time, traveling along with Santa. Down chimneys he would climb. Christmas is not a time to sit alone and cry. Santa may yet surprise you and bring you loads of Christmas joy. I hope you enjoyed listening to the story of the Christmas surprise. Now here are a few questions for you to ponder upon. What is the best Christmas gift you have received? Have you ever had to be left out of something fun because you were sick? What surprise gift would you like to give someone?